Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Here we have Bitcoin creating an M pattern. If you don't see it here, I'm going to draw it out for you. There it is, clear as day. It's M. And has this thing broken, or is it still safe for it to go the opposite direction? We're going to talk about that and more, and Ethereum, right? Today in today's episode, and we're going to figure out whether or not we're going to trade this and trade Ethereum as well. So if you're interested in trading both Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com, where you can get some massive bonuses if you open up an account right now and follow the deposit bonuses. Check out links in the description below. Don't miss out. Even just, you know what? Just go ahead and open up an account, even if you don't plan on using it. Just create one, just in case. Sometime in the future you care to use it. Alrighty, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for coming today. Right, a lot of people are watching this thing live right now, and they are enjoying extra bonuses, like what I'm trading in the altcoin space, right? Because there's a lot of cool alts that are just going crazy. And you need to see what I'm buying in those altcoin space. To do so, you need to subscribe to davincij15.com, and you can be a part of this live show, or even watch the live show later, because you don't have to watch it live. You can watch it a little later and see what's going on behind the scenes. Okay, well, with that said, remember, everything that we talk about here is not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting your money into the market. All right, so now let's get on to the charts. Okay, as you can see, we are breaking, or almost broken, the bottom point here of this wick, which would continue our collapse all the way down to, let's see here, let's just see. From here to there, approximately, let's say, it's the same thing, whether they take it from this top or that one, it's pretty much the same. And it just takes us just below the $43,000 mark. So we're talking, the 42,500. Should have break down. Now, unfortunately, there's a lot of traffic on the way here. So I would suggest, if you wanted to load up and go long instead of going short here, because you can go short here, but the problem is this short is, let's see here, you're only gonna get like 4% or something like that. I'm estimating. So yeah, maybe it's not the best thing to do. And on top of that, this thing may not go all the way to target, because there's a lot of buying pressure. You can see if we go back to if we go to our overall view, right, of Bitcoin, our overview, Bitcoin is in no doubts about it in a bull market. And anybody who says this is a bubble, remind them that all bubbles go back to where they started pretty much, and they never recover back to the all-time highs. Most of the time. Most of the time, they just never come back to the all-time highs. Example of that, the tulip bubbles, of course, the South Sea bubble, the bubble of the Nikkei stock exchange. It's never seen its all-time highs. So yeah, but Bitcoin has. You can see it not only has seen its broken through the all-time highs, right? You can see right here at approximately $1,300, right, or $11,100, right? And it never come back to that, or even close to it. And then again, we've broken up, and then we've never come back close to our $20,000 entry levels, or breakout levels. So I don't see how this is considered a bubble when this thing is going to go a lot higher. And yeah, if you're just buying and holding, you should just dollar cost average, right? It says dollar cost average all the way. You're going to be rich. That's it. Don't trade. Don't buy. Don't try to get in and get out whenever the market tops out. You just buy and hold, and you will do well. Looking at the weekly has moved into a positive territory, so we have nothing to complain about when you see how Bitcoin maybe might do a little bit of a pullback here for a short while, maybe come all the way back to the $40,000 level, where there's like it's going to check the 13 EMA on the weekly, but that's about it. That's it. We're going to just continue going higher. So yeah, load your longs here, because this thing is on the launch pad. Bitcoin's on the launch pad. Going down to the daily, right, we can see, let me just bring up the daily. We can see that, yeah, we could get a correction also, stay right down to where we were saying that we're at the 13 EMA, which is approximately where we're talking about on the 4-hour for the correction. So yeah, we see a lot of convoluting events here, and we can see that Bitcoin is poised to do a small correction, a needed correction that will help you get a good position for this turnaround of Bitcoin. Yeah. Alrighty. So let's. So if you're interested in trading that, remember, you could head over to. You could trade this even on Binance, Femex, right? You could trade this on Bybit as well, and you can head over to my referrals page, right, and join any of these groups, or purchase any of these products if you like. And yeah, and if you do so, you can also earn 12.5%, because all of my revenue, I take 12.5% of my revenue and buy up to the DJ15 tokens and burn them. So make sure you own some DJ15 tokens if you're using any of my affiliate links. And thank you for using my affiliate links, guys. It's really appreciated. All right, let's head over to Ethereum before we close off. It looks like Ethereum has decided, and it's decided to go south. But remember what I said, right? What I said this before, right? Don't be surprised if Ethereum comes back in here and comes all the way back to this level. And look what it did. Exactly as predicted. As we were outside here and looking like, oh man, we're off and popping with Ethereum. Yeah, okay. Ethereum loves to hurt people. Loves to just smack you in the face. The good news is, at this location here, we're looking at we could possibly have a bounce and stay. As long as we stay in this trend line, this is a positive sign, and we could see that, hey, you know what? This was just probably right here. This was probably that we're just a fake out coming back in, and the problem. Let's take a look at volume, see how badly this thing did this. Because a failed move equals a fast move, because this could be a failed move equals a fast move, and if it is, yeah, the volume is pretty high for this to be a fake out. The volume here, dump, is pretty high. So, but it didn't. There's no follow through. So this is on the 4-hour. So you can see, right? We are not looking so good, because you can see that we've confirmed this on the 4-hour, confirmed the divergence on the 4-hour. So I'm a little kind of skeptical that we can get this thing going. Let's just go down to the lower time frames, see if we can find any kind of warmth, right, for us to go long on this. And yeah, there's not anything to give me the warms and fuzzy feelings here. I'm thinking even with the RSI and the volume indicators here, look at the volume is a little bit warm here because it's not going down as much. But this is the leverage exchange, so it doesn't count really. Oops, oopsies, Uniswap, wrong window. Okay, there we go. But we were getting a lot of pressure at the top here. I was looking for a short up here. Didn't get it because I need to spend more time analyzing, because I had to go through the smaller time frames, because when you're shorting against the trend, it's pretty scary. So you need to really get it right. Yeah, you can see that that we could get a bounce here, but I'm not happy enough to say yes, we can take a trade on this right now, because yeah, this thing looks like, well, in a 5 minute, looks like there's a possible reversal here. This is like a fake out. The 5 minutes is let's just see here. Are we oversold on the 5 minute? Not quite. So we still have a little bit more room for us to go down on the 5 minute, but then we could turn around pretty fast here. So yeah, look for some sort of turnaround if we basically come back down, test, don't go too far, and then come back out and make sure that this, if we head over to the 4 hour, that the 4 hour candle does not close below this trend line. Then yeah, if it closes below that trend line, I think we can call it over, game over at this point, especially since, you know, we had a nice volume dump here on Ethereum. Okay, guys, let's head over to the dominance and see what that's saying. Oh yes, the dominance is holding strong, is moving downward in the downwards direction. This is beautiful. We've even created a nice, beautiful lopsided M here that is just as good and just makes me just as happy, right? You can see it right here, and that means the target is, let's say, take the target of this thing. Yeah, this is a nice M. We could take the target and find out where this thing is going, and you can see that this thing's probably going to go down to break some new lows. This one here, wish it was breaking this one. That would be nice, but here, that's good. We're starting a nice trend, and we're getting down to the 42%. And that means, you know, these crypto bubbles are going to look really juicy. They're already starting to look juicy. And if you haven't been profiting from that, what are you waiting for? Come on down and join us, right, at the davincij15.com. Subscribe today and be a part of our group. And that we're having lots of fun here, and then you're getting a discount of 50% off. So all right, thanks for watching, and thanks for being here today. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. We won't be doing a news show today, but tomorrow I will. So see you tomorrow. And yeah, bye for now. Remember, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Cheers.